for Earth sign, please. General reading messages for Earth sign. Messages for Earth sign, please. Okay, thank you. Spirit guides, angel guides. Messages para sa mga Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. You do have here the Eight of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Devil. Clarify the Hierophant and the Devil, please. You do have here the Five of Cups. Ten of Cups. What's with the Devil? Two of Cups, and what's with the Eight of Swords? Okay. So, ang nakikita natin dito, there's a person here who is really holding back. Pwedeng sobrang nagpipigil itong person na to. Pero honestly, gustong-gusto niyang gumawa ng action with the Chariot. This is like, yung nasa isip niya, gusto kong sumugod, gusto kong gumawa ng action. This is Cancer energy. Ito, water sign is also here. So, Scorpio, Pisces. This could be a friend. And a person na parang gusto niyang makapag-usap sa'yo or your family and or sa kanyang family. Like, this person wants to talk about you, no? Doon sa mga taong malalapit sa kanya. So, gusto niya rin makausap sila regarding sa kung ano yung tungkol sa'yo. Like, maybe gusto kanyang i-open up sa mga taong ito. And, with the Devil, there's this energy na may pagkakontrol because of, maybe with the Two of Cups, this could be another partner, another people, or relationship sa buhay ng taong ito na nagiging mas nagmamanipulate or nagiging power sa kanya kung bakit might be hindi niya magawa yung mga action na gusto niyang gawain dito is because iniisip niya yung iisipin or gagawain or sasabihin itong the Devil, which is lagi nakabantay, lagi nakatingin, and this person gustuhin man niya, no, na mag-take ng actions. I feel like mas nagko-concentrate din pati siya ngayon sa kanyang healing, and I can see the energy of father, so father figure. Maybe there's something sa kanyang father na maybe nawala ang kanyang father or namatayan, pwedeng gano'n ang father, or pwedeng yung father niya is currently sick, or could be may mga traumas regarding sa father. So, isa ito sa nagiging dahilan kung bakit pwedeng hindi siya masyado din gumagawa ng action is because may kinalaman sa naging father figure. Not necessarily father or tatay, pero pwedeng yung nagpakatatay or naging father figure para sa kanya. And tell me more for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. We have the Knight of Cups, the Justice card, and the King of Wands. Clarify the Knight of Cups, please. Knight of Cups is clarified by the Five of Swords. Clarify the Justice card, the Moon, and the Ten of Pentacles is here. Clarify the King of Wands. Two of Swords is here. Bottom of the deck, you do have here the Three of Pentacles. So, itong person na ito is full of secret. I feel like nandun yung kailangan niyang gawain. Yung secret na yun. I can see because of money. I feel like yung iba sa inyo may mga decision ka kailangan gawain. regarding some kind of relationship or career, pwedeng gano'n. Pero yung iba, relationship with other people. Okay? Friends, co-workers, teammates, ganyan. So, may mga kailangan kang gawaing decision regarding dito sa bagay nito. With regards to this person, I feel like alam mo, ramdam mo yung emotion niya para sa'yo. And with the Justice card, the energy here is that gusto mong magpakatotoo itong taong ito sa'yo. Some of you pwedeng naging totoo na siya or ikaw sa connection or sa relationship na to. But may mga bagay na kailangan i-consider. So, yung pagiging totoo nandun. But ang problem is yung future or the law, some of you. Lalo na kung may mga marriage or ibang partnership na kailangan i-consider dito. I can see some of you will be more focused sa iyong health and fitness in the following weeks or months na dadating. And I do love that energy kasi pwedeng ma-achieve mo yung mga wishes mo in the future. Like for example, you wish to have a better life, better health, better body. Yan. So, ang focus mo is yung pagiging mas better para sa sarili mo. The Three of Pentacles, this is showing as a growth. And with the Strength card, pwedeng may kinalaman ito sa iyong sarili. No? You will be more stronger. And the Tower is here, so I feel like the Tower is like pag-alis, pagtanggal ng mga unhealthy behavior or for example, yun nga, yung iba, pwedeng pagtanggal ng excess sa katawan mo. So, some of you magiging mas devoted ka sa pagiging healthy in the near future para sa'yo. And I can see you being healthy rin naman talaga right after nito. And might be ang focus mo dito is yung sarili mo. No? How to be more maayos or healthy pag umidad, ganyan. Tell me more messages for Earth sign. The King of Swords, the Queen of Swords, the Queen of Cups, the Magician, and the Ten of Swords. There's going to be an ending in the near future para sa'yo. And the energy here is regarding sa ending regarding sa emotion mo or ending regarding sa mga sa sarili mo na pwedeng ikaw might be in the past. Ikaw yung palabigay, mapagbigay, ikaw yung marunong umunawa, etc. But with the Magician, this is you changing your belief, changing your, yung sarili mo, yung habit mo, etc. Yung, sa sarili mo mismo. Kung dati mapagbigay ka, in the future, I can see you na, ay, wala na akong pakialam. Lalo na with the Fool, this is someone na parang wala akong pakialam, bahala sila sa buhay nila. This is you na parang tinatanggal mo yung kaugalian mo yan. If you're trying to please others, tinatry mo sila na parang wag silang magalit sa'yo or mahalin ka nila, etc. So, pakikitaan mo sila ng magaganda, etc. This time with the Ten of Swords, this is you na parang ayoko na, hindi na ako ganon, ayoko na maging ganon. This is mean, yung energy mo is ganito, no? This is me na I will focus on myself, my own fame, my own appearance, my own body, my own life, no? Hindi ka na para makialam pa sa buhay ng iba. And like, especially with the King of Swords and the Queen of Swords energy. And with regards to love, I'm seeing like eventually may taong maaaring dumating sa buhay mo to offer you some kind of Yeah, I can see a man. Or actually, gender is not specific. Pero, may limitasyon. Pero this person is going to magpapa-impress or magpapakita ng something para maging part ng iyong daily activities or daily life, no? And pwedeng magpakita ito sa iyo or mag magpakita ng money or kakayahan na parang, 'di ba? Like pwedeng patunayan niya yung sarili niya sa'yo na I can do this, I can do that, ganun, etc. You do have here the Fool. Yeah. So, the Fool is nagpakita na sa bottom of the deck pero nandito ulit siya. The Fool. And you do have here the High Priest, pero nararamdaman natin yung energy na reversal. So, we will read that in reverse. You do have here the Justice card. And, yan, puro major arcana. The Fool, the High Priestess, and the Justice card. And last card for you, this is also a major arcana. This is the Star. Okay. So, and also major arcana at the bottom of the deck, which is the Lovers. So, I can see a new person pagdating sa iyong career. Could be this person is a secret admirer or a person which is pwedeng mag-take ng risk regarding sa iyo or sa connection ninyo. Dahil this person pwedeng will show up as a friend, and eventually yung friendship would lead into something else, no? So that could be career, or if you're still studying, yan, sa pag-aaral, nakita tayo dyan ng taong pwedeng at first pwedeng itry niya na sabotahe yung kanyang sarili, no? Na parang isikreto yung admiration or pagkagusto sa'yo. But with the Justice card, this person, nakakita tayo ng pagiging truthful sa kanya. And, yeah, I feel like ang gusto kasi niya maging masaya. And maybe, ikaw yung isa sa gusto makakapagpasaya sa kanya. And this person sees you as the Star. I really do like you. You are my wish fulfillment. So, maaaring kaya siya aamin or magsasabi sa'yo is because gusto niya ng connection or relationship sa inyong dalawa. But anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Sana nakarelate kayo sa ating reading. I love you all, and bye-bye.